Hi, this is Reena and I'm your instructor. I've been teaching Abacus from past 10 years and I'm super happy to bring this video. I put all my years of teaching experience here. So we are going to learn Abacus right from scratch, starting from single digit calculations, learning and understanding the beat values, and then learning formula, when to use the formula, and so on. So we learn addition and subtraction starting from single digit numbers and then 2 and 3 digit numbers. Next we move on to multiplication and we learn 2, 3 digit patterns as well. So all the patterns are explained thoroughly and fully. We also learn division and next we learn decimals. Yes, you heard it right. We learn decimals using Abacus in this video. At the end of every chapter, we have lined up assignments. Please do practice and improve your Abacus skills. So apart from improving your mathematical skills, you also improve your memory power, concentration, listening skills, language learning skills, and so on. So the benefits are unlimited, which slowly and gradually passes on to your learning skills in any field. So as a student, you improve your skills in other subjects too. At the end of the course, you can download the course completion certificate. Please follow all the instructions before you start. For example, using both the hands, for calculation, using the pencil the right way, learning the formulas, practicing mental math every day, and so on. So I wish you all the very best and let's get started. Thank you.